Alrighty, YouTubers, we have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend, and you guys can check out this company. Link will be down below. If you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart. Check out now, and they'll ship this to you fast. Coming from OneOdio, this is going to be the Fusion A70 wireless DJ headphones. Wee wee. Oh, these are nice, professional DJ headphones. Dual duty cable, jack lock system, Bluetooth music sharing. Whoa. Portable, foldable, lit. Good, easy get. Headphones, pouch, audio cable, duty cable, dual duty cable. Specs: 48 hours, 50 hours playtime, charging time. I don't see the charging time. Alright, let's get into it. Here's the cables. Whoa. Okay, I get you. My friends are DJs, so I know a lot of DJs out. You get this cable, the line audio. You get the USB. You get this one. Just plug it in. Plug these into your headphones. This goes into your equipment. And then you'll be rocking. Manual. So all the good stuff down there we don't need. Fusion A70. So this will pop up on your Bluetooth as A70 OneOdio. So like I said, anyone knows how to use them. It's really simple to do. Ooh, look at this. Now, these are fancy. So if you're mixing your CD, definitely it'd be good to have these. Here we go. Get that out of there. Whoa. We got the logo right there. That's where you connect this. Just plug this in here. Goes out of the way. I get confused sometimes. Yep. There we go. And you plug this into your mix. And there you go. And power. There it goes. We got it. We got it. Got the swivel. We got the good flex. Super comfy. Seems like this is a lot thicker too. But DJs, you know, they got hours mixing and everything. So definitely a good skill to have. So these are really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Check them out. OneOdio Fusion wireless DJ headphones. Be safe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon.